Hey folks, got a 2020 Impreza here, a Subaru. I'm going to change the cabin air filter. Going to use this brand right here, STP CAF15024P, as in Peter. All right, see the airflow? There's an arrow there for an airflow. Explain that to you in a little bit. Like most cabin filters, they're found in the glove box. So, if the customer has a lot of stuff in the glove box, you can either empty it out, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to prop it up a little bit so that all the contents won't come out. And what we're going to change is the filter, and it's right in there. All right, so to start, I want to take this little shock out over here. Just got to slide it off to the right. It'll pop right out. All right. That just slows the door down from slamming down when you release it. So now, for the door itself, there's one side here, this side here. What you do is just squeeze it together. It'll release it out of the panels, and the door is going to come down. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this box as a prop to hold the door when it comes down. All right, let me set you up over here. Okay, here we go. Took some of the napkins out so you can see a little better. All right. These side panels here, just move the glove box in a little bit, squeeze in the sides, and this whole door is going to drop down. I'm going to drop it down onto this air cleaner box so that it's out of the way. Okay, and right in here, this is where the filter is. So there's two little tabs, one on each side, to squeeze the tabs on the bottom. Oh, I need two hands there. Squeeze two tabs on the bottom. Like that. And this thing is going to pop right out. Okay, I can show you the tabs. These are the ones. Okay, 1, 2. Squeeze it right out. There is your filter right there. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Nice and easy, because sometimes it's full of crud. As you can see. Got some leaves in there. There it is. Nice, right? All right, let's see what this one is. See, airflow is pointing down. That's what you need to remember, okay? So the fan is on the bottom. Sucks in the dirt from the top. Reach over. Sorry, guys. I'm going to look for my new filter. Airflow going down. Stick it right back in there. It goes all the way in. There you go. All right, taking panel. Gonna line up these two slots up there. Once it's lined up, you push it in, you snap those two panels back on, and you're technically done. Right, lift up the glove box. Make sure this customer has a camera wire, so I want to make sure I'm not pinching that wire. I'm gonna hold it up here. There you go. Put your little shock back on over here. Okay. I have to lift it up a little bit just so you can get to it. That's it. Done deal. All right. Cabin air filter. Impreza. All done. Thanks for watching, folks.